ডিয়ার অ্যাসপিরেন্ট অ্যান্ড লার্নার, প্রত্যেককে ওয়েলকাম। আপনারা প্রত্যেকেই জানেন যে কয়েকদিন আগে বা কয়েক মাস আগে যে মামলা একটা করা হয়েছিল নতুন নিয়োগ নিয়ে, যেখানে আপার প্রাইমারি 2015 পর থেকে কিন্তু নিয়োগের কোনো বিজ্ঞপ্তি আসেনি, এবং এছাড়াও এসএলএসটির ক্ষেত্রে 16 সালে নিয়োগের পর কোনো নিয়োগ নেই। এই সমস্ত নিয়ে নতুন নিয়োগের নিয়ে এটা মামলা করা হয়েছিল, কেন নিয়োগ করা হচ্ছে না সেই নিয়ে এবার কোর্টে মামলাটি ওঠে এবং কোর্ট থেকে কি বলা হয় সে কথা আপনাদেরকে শোনাবো। এবং তার আগে কিছু কথা বলে রাখি যে নতুন নিয়োগ করা নিয়ে কিন্তু কথা বলতে বলা হয়েছে, এবং 3 সপ্তাহের মধ্যে কিন্তু বলা হয়েছে সরকারি উকিলকে সেই রিপোর্টগুলো জমা দেওয়ার জন্য। এবং এছাড়াও যে সমস্ত কথাগুলো শুনছেন নতুন নিয়োগ এসএলএসটি নিয়োগ নিয়ে, অনেকেই প্রশ্ন করছে আমরা কি সুযোগ পাবো না পাবো। দেখুন, এটা নিয়ে কোর্ট কিন্তু কিছু বলে দেয়নি এখন অবধি কাদেরকে নিয়ে নিয়োগ হবে বা কীভাবে নিয়োগ হবে, কবে এটা হবে, পরিষ্কার কিছু নয়। পরিষ্কার হলো আমি অবশ্যই জানাবো। তবে একটা কথা বলে রাখি, আপার প্রাইমারি নিয়ে যারা ভাবছেন তাদের ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু ডিএলএড বা বিএড প্রত্যেকে যোগ্য, এবং এছাড়াও আপারের নিয়োগ বিজ্ঞপ্তি কিন্তু আসবে, সেটা কিন্তু আমাদের কোর্টের কালকের পর থেকে জানা গেছে। যেটুকু জানতে পেরে সেটুকু আমি আপনাদেরকে কাছে দেখাচ্ছি, আপনারা নিজেরাই দেখুন। এবং যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থেকে থাকে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে প্রশ্নগুলো কমেন্ট সেকশনে করুন, আমি উত্তর দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। ভালো থাকুন প্রত্যেকে, সুস্থ থাকুন প্রত্যেকে, এবং এই কন্ডিশনে প্রত্যেকে পাশে থাকুন।
State is required for appointment of assistant teacher in upper primary level of schools, not for classes 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, it is stated that it is reported that since there are certain litigations and legal complications over there, and 2016 selection process upper primary could not be brought to logical conclusion, as a result whereof TET could not be conducted. But conducting or concluding selection process, that is first state level selection test 2016 upper primary, is not related to holding of TET. If you hold the TET and if the candidates are made ready, then in the next selection process it would facilitate the appointing authorities to conduct the selection process fast and smoothly. So why this is being related, it is projected before this court that holding of TET depends upon conclusion of ongoing selection process,
because
because these are not interrelated issues. Only requirement is this: for appointment as an assistant teacher in upper primary section, TET qualification is essential. So why you are not holding TET?
It would be conducted very soon. That has been written.
No, you have to come up with a definite instructions and indications in your report that when you will hold the TET. Last TET was held in 2015, and as per guidelines in each year TET is required to be held.
If your lordship kindly reads the report from APA.
Is there any provision, Mr. Mitro, that after conclusion of ongoing selection process only TET can be conducted? Answer is no.
Yes.
If that is the situation, why you are not holding TET?
It would be held
because if this appointments relating to SLST 2016 upper primary has started on the basis of the recommendation.
Sure.
Now it will be concluded soon. Yes. Then you will hold TET.
Yes.
Then the selection process, it will take long time.
Their prayer is
so and the teacher and the schools are reeling under shortage of staff strength.
Yes.
So therefore, why you are not holding TET?
But we will be holding, as soon as these appointments are cleared, completed. We would hold it.
Number of teachers and the staff strength in the school is abysmal.
Yes.
So now at this stage, if you do not hold TET and facilitate the selection process, then the entire process will be out of gear.
Yes, but it is reflected in the report. But that we would
nothing is reflected from this report. It's a very vague report.
From the top fourth paragraph, your lordship.
Yes. Place it. Let us read. Let us hear you. Place it loudly.
In the year
1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth paragraph from the top.
Lordship.
After completion.
Third paragraph.
Yes.
In the year 2024, after getting free from litigations, the appointment of qualified candidates for upper primary section has been started, and process is yet to be over. That is not completed. As the entire process was under litigation, and as the appointment of qualified candidates on the basis of TET 2015 is still running, the process for conduct of the next teacher eligibility test for upper primary section could not be started.
How this is interrelated? That is what I am asking you,
Lordship.
having seen this report. Yes, you are correct that SLST 2016 upper primary could not be concluded
Lordship.
because of there are certain litigations, certain directions were passed by the
Yes.
coordinate benches and the honorable division bench. Ultimately, it is about to be it
Yes.
is to be concluded soon.
Lord,
Now, in the meantime, why you are not holding it?
Lord, next paragraph is very important. Lord. After completion of ensuing appointments process for upper primary section, the state in school education department may be in a position to consider for conducting next state for upper primary section.
Why? That is why I am asking you why. Because this is not related. Is there any provision in the rules
There is no such
that
provision.
after conclusion of the selection process, ongoing selection process, then only TET can be held?
There
And
is
in
no
the
provision,
in the backdrop of facts that for the last TET was held in secondary TET was held in 2015.
Lordship.
And what is the guideline?
Lord, this is the views of the Lord.
What NCT is saying? Clause 11 of guidelines for conducting TET, appropriate government is required to conduct TET at least once in every year.
Lordship.
So why you are not holding for last 10 years? Page 32.
Yes, Lord. Paragraph, point number 11.
Yes,
Yes.
this is the guideline.
Lord, we would
Guidelines for conducting teacher eligibility test. What does it say? Appropriate government should conduct TET at least once in a year.
Lordship.
The validity period of TET qualifying certificate for appointment will be decided by the appropriate authority.
Lordship.
So, for last 10 years, you have not held TET.
Lord, we
Now
would
you are
able-
saying that there were litigations and the process of 2016 could not be brought to logical conclusion. So, therefore, after conclusion
Lord,
of
soon
that
after its
selection process,
completion, Lord, we will
the
start.
government will hold.
That is the
So,
view
what
of-
is the reason behind it? What is the rationality behind this?
Lord,
Which is not in consonance with clause 11 of the guideline.
Lord, this is the view.
And now the process has started. Why you are not holding it? At least the candidates can be made ready for the next selection process.
Lord, we would come with not a concrete suggestion, Lord.
The report is not exhaustive, Mr. Mitro. You will not get rid of this court by filing this vague report. It has to be in consonance with clause 11, though it is a guideline and its language is that the government should, not shall, but at least an effort has to be made. For last 10 years, you have done anything.
Lord, we have said in this report that
Only trying to accommodate some of the candidates in
would hold
connection
it,
with the
Lord.
selection process, which was going on and conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission.
yes,
That is separate. That is not neither here nor there so far this writ petition is concerned. But why you are not holding TET for last 10 years?
Lord, we would hold it. Lord, explanation is given. We would hold it. Lord, as soon as the Lord, that appointment process is over, Lord. We would hold it. Lord.
File an affidavit, report in the form of affidavit by the commissioner to file a report. And that has to be in consonance with clause 11 of the guidelines.
Lordship.
And you have to demonstrate before this court that how